I'm sure you can manage somehow. I'm sure you can manage somehow. So who is heavier?
Wait, I want to get off. No. I'm not letting you off. Oh! This is making me like fly off. Wait. Hold on a second. You nearly made it.
Oh my God.
Okay, come on, get up. Okay, get off. Okay, hold on. It's not working. Okay. Jesus Christ. Ow, my thighs are gonna be bruised up.
Oh my
You
God.
recording this, right?
Yes, I do. Shame on you people. Shame on you.
You're gonna have to bleep that. Oh, my thighs are gonna be so.
Okay.
Claudia, you are a stick.
Ellie, are you gonna show Ellie how to fall from the
Did you just say Ellie, or are you gonna show Ellie how to?
how to fall from this thing?
No.
Oh,
That's
look
a
at her.
stupid idea. I wanna go down
That's Russian school. Look. She's done it in Russia when she was a little girl. Let's see if she can manage now. Okay.
Mama.
Very good, Lena. Very good.
I'm not gonna. Last time I flew off.
Yeah, she's just like laying on her butt.
I'm
Yes.
like over there. You have to hold on to this.
This is so tall.
I know.
This isn't normal. Who made this? Some person who wanted like kids to fall off of shit.
I know. That's what I said. I said freaking 3-year-olds are gonna be falling off and dying this thing. Look, this is what you gotta do. You gotta sit on it and hold
Are you
this.
gonna catch me?
No,
Why?
cause I don't wanna. You have to hold the sides.
My
Whatever you do.
tailbone is already half broken, so I don't think this is.
Oh my God, this stuff is so tall.
Freaking do it.
No.
Come on, Lena. I already
did it.
done it. You
I
can
did
just, yes.
Did you fall on your ass?
No. I was holding to the sides of it.
Hold on to the sides.
There's nothing, I mean, you can barely make it. I mean, it's not even slidable.
Catch my phone.
Okay. Ellie, get her phone.
Ah, this is a stupid idea. Stupid idea. Ow! Your phone bruised my freaking pancake.
Okay, you ready, Lena? Come on. What's that now? That's her kiss.
Hold on a minute.
Okay, I just have to hold on to the side.
Yes. You ready? No, I've done it before. Go.
Do it. I did it too.
Well, I guess you...
Too sweaty.
Oh my god, like, it's like a retard.
Yay, that was so fun.
Okay, Ellie, it's your turn now.
No, not me again.
Ellie was like, woo! Spook!
No.
I didn't even have a chance to comment, so she needs to hold on. She's like, woo! Spook! That was bad. Right, Ellie?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do it too.
Okay.
You guys are gonna film me?
Okay.
Oh
She's
my
gonna
God.
slide down it like we did.
Let me.
Here. Just stop this one at least.
No,
She's
no, I'm filming.
Mama, you look so weird. You just over here.
Ada, stop.
Why?
Because I'm filming.
I know. I know.
Oh my god.
Oh, I forgot that.
You're gonna break your face and your butt. Oh. She's just gonna slide down like you do. Like.
Are we too... Why doesn't it... We should put some oil on it.
Oh my god, Mom, that was so... You know what? This would make a great water slide. See, okay, it's your turn now. What? No.
Yes. Okay.
All right.
No, I'm filming now. My turn.
Okay, Ellie, you throw. Where's my keys? You want my keys?
I'm stepping on Americans. These things say American.
Yeah, every step.
No, I'm good. I'm going.
Ella, come on.
Now, come on, Ellie.
No.
Do it.
No.
Don't be a scaredy cat.
I'm not a scaredy cat. I did it already and I flew 7 feet away from it.